No one ugly allowed. Are you ready? Here we go. Fashion is the art, designers are the gods, models play the part of angels in the dark. Which one of you would ever dare to go against that beauty is a trade and everyone is paid? Fashionista, how do you look? Fashionista, how do you look? New York, London, Paris, Milan, Tokyo, I think it's in Japan. Asia, Malaysia, Las Vegas to play. LA, if you pay my way. Fashionista, how do you look? 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 Who are you wearing? Sean, John, Calvin Klein, Donna Karen's fashion line, Valentino, YSL, Ferragamo and Chanel, Halston, Gucci, Fiorucci, don't forget my Gucci, Fendi and Armani, God I miss Gianni, Kenneth Cole, Michael Kors, Mr. Ford I can't afford, D&G and BCBG, looking good is never easy, Alexander Herkovich, Naomi Campbell, such a bitch. I wanna be Delgada to fit into my Prada. Oscar de la Renta, Louis Vuitton, imitation of Christ. Beauty has a price. Fashionista, how do you look? 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 What are you wearing?